We've got pretty much today and tomorrow to have this car button up. Now I've had the auto sparkers here all day yesterday and all day today. We've got to put the ECU in today. We've got a car on stock wheels. Moment of truth. We're gonna give it a fire, see if it starts. You might need that.
Oh, yeah.
Old Tuning James is here. I found problem. Rightio Tuesday, we're getting an earlier start today. It's like 1 p.m. Now I've had the auto sparkers here all day yesterday and all day today. This is what we got. We've got a mess. Haven't we, Cody? No.
Pigsty.
It's a bit of a pigsty. We've got a bit of a mess. We're about to do the ECUs. We've got to put the ECU in today. So now this ECU here, as I explained last night, is a complete plug and play ECU. So, doink, I got that all wrong. Doink that bad boy in like that. Pull that one out, and it just plugs into the factory things and replaces your factory ECU. Absolutely keen to get that in. Comes with a little harness and that, and a couple other bits that need wiring, not too much. New map sensor, O2 sensor, a few other bits and pieces. So the boys are going to put that in now, and then we could probably fire the car up the new throttle body and make sure the throttle body's working. And as long as we know that's working, we can get her back together. Oh, I'm pumped. Anyway, let's go see the boys. Where are we? Say hi, Cody. Say hi.
Hello. Yeah, bro.
Mitch.
Hello.
I love it. Righto, so they're the boys from Enhanced or Ipswich City Auto Electrical. Absolute legends. Righto, we're back. Sparkies are gone. I've got some reinforcements. Big boy, old Mickey boy's here. And say hi, Clint.
Hi.
Everyone remembers Clint from the transfer gears. Look at the springs. We've got the springs going in. I forgot to start filming. So I've got a bit of a team here tonight because... Hi, Scotty. Scotty's back. Camera didn't do any justice for your nose and lips then. So we're going to put all the springs and diffs in tonight, get this thing sort of on the wheels, on tail shafts again. And we've got this much wasabi. The ECU's not quite in yet, a few more bits. But yeah, we got a few more little things to go. But I had to call reinforcements because we are getting nowhere in a hurry. We got a whole heap of stuff done tonight, you wouldn't believe it. So now we have got, let me close the toolbox up. We've got a car on stock wheels, ready for Reese boy from G&L, ready to tune, except I've still got to get the ECU in, finish hooking up the turbo and stuff, and get the inlet done and hooked up, which we'll get done in the morning. We're gonna be on. So come around here, we've got a few more items ticked off with the trusty list. Where are we at? Suspension's done. Paint suspension's completed now. Diffs are done. Fuel system's done. Brake lines are done. Turbo kit is done. Parts wiring is just about done. Exhaust isn't. Pirate gear isn't. Party lights are done. And clutch swap is done. We're ticking them off, legends. Now, body lift isn't gonna happen this time. And sound deaden installation isn't gonna happen. We're running out of time. So I'm cutting them two off. Oh, you know what else we're gonna do? Chop guards. We're gonna chop the guards. Mod for 33s. We're gonna mod for the 33s as well. A few things we're gonna cut and do to make 33s fit, but we will make it happen. Well, I reckon that's a wrap for tonight. We'll be back in here in the morning. It's Tuesday today, so we've got Wednesday. So we got tomorrow and tomorrow night to get it ready, put it in the big trailer over there, take it out to Reese, and we're on the big tune. Hopefully make some decent power, and we're gonna be on! Moment of truth. I managed to get the ECU to sync last night, so we haven't fired it yet, so we're gonna give it a fire, see if it starts, and hopefully, fingers crossed, she starts up, and then we have no issues and we'll be bloody on. Then I'm gonna get it across there for a wheel alignment. I'm gonna pull all this back apart so I can repaint it, and some other swanky bits. Ooh, come. Corey, yeah, go to fire extinguisher. You might need that.
Oh, yeah.
Old Tuning James is here.
What's the worst that could happen?
Oh, what is that, bro?
Oh, it's weed itself with petrol.
Look at that. Oh, what's that? That smells, All right, I better have a look at that. To be fair, I'm not gonna lie. Mechanic across from me laughed at me. I couldn't get the O-rings in, so I put a bit of lithium grease on. Probably pinched the O-rings. Should have used rubber grease, shouldn't I? Right, we'll have a look at that and hopefully we can fix that. God damn it! Look at that. Let me get it out so you can actually see it. I found problem. A pinchy O-ring. Righto, Sunday morning. It's nice and early. Got big boy over here. Say good morning, Mick.
Morning.
So we Sunday today. Obviously, we've got pretty much today and tomorrow to have this car button up. We'll have it button up today and finished, and then we're gonna work on that one because we need that one finished too. But we'll have it done, ready to go. Then Monday morning we have detail. On our Monday morning we got wheel alignment, then detail, and then Sydney show. But little recap what we got to do today. Pull the front guards off and chop them so we can get 33s on. We've got to get obviously 33s on, assemble the front end, bull bar back on, new bash plate on, the new engine cover, manifold, and tidy all this up and zippy everything off and make everything tidy and wire this back on and a couple other bits and then bracket in the ECU and then bloody a few bits and pieces inside the car here, put all the pirate gear back in and it's pretty well done then. It should be good for the show. Pulled the guards off because now we're going to cut like that so we can fit our big wheels in it. It's taken about, it's about 65, 70 mil out of here and then it'll taper back to about here to nothing again. So we've got a fair bit to cut out and then we can put these back on and we can get the wheels on. Woo! Got the grinder. Now, we've got our bloody lines marked here. Taper up there. So hopefully this goes really, really good. If not, oh well, as long as the wheel's clear. We've got a flare to cover it. There we go, so this is all trimmed up now. Look at that. Oh, how beautiful is that edge? I'm worth more money, I'm telling you. You wanna come have a look at this? Oh, did some more painting last night. Have a look at it. Oh, dropping it. Woo-wee. Look at that. So here's our spread now. This is for the engine bay we're working on. So we're sort of finished in the rear and stuff and yeah, a bit of a look. We're sort of finished now in the rear. Working our way down here, so we're gonna button up the engine bay. It's obviously quite grubby at the moment. Get everything bolted back in and tied it away. So manifold's back from powder last night. Look at this. Bash plate. So much going on. Big boy is making some gaskets. And then yeah, we'll be bloody get these things bolted in. What we've got here. Here's all my brackets and other bits and pieces I needed. We've had some success. I don't know if you guys want to see this yet. It's not that good. It's not that good, is it, Mick? No, it's pretty crap. It's crap. But anyways, I'll show you anyway. It actually looks pretty damn good. So we've gone to all the effort. We've rerouted heaps of lines. We've tidied up the wiring. If you'd stop making noise, it'd be
done, you know.
So anyways, we've gone to the effort of tidying all this up and it's actually, all this is tidied up now. Oh my God, Looks pretty damn good, eh? It's now midday and I thought, all right, time to come in and get the final bits done because tomorrow's detail and wheel alignment. Next day, truck to Sydney. So I'm pretty happy with progress. So I've got a few little last minute things to do. I've got to get all our pirate stuff inside the car. Half it's kind of in there. Deluxe valve caps. Pardon me, is his name. So we got them from him. Absolute legend. Come see us at show and gave them to us. So pretty cool. Thought we'd give him a bit of a plug because there's a young lad out there trying to have a go. So it's really, really good. Righto legends, that is a wrap on this one. So in 9 days, we basically took Jelly Roll 1.0, which is over there, turned it into Jelly Roll 2.0 in, like ridiculous amounts. We were doing pretty much working 6 till 4:30 every day here, then 4:30 till about 10, 11 o'clock at night, into it to stripping cars, swapping bits over, had a heap of guys here. So an absolute huge thank you to all those who came down, helped us out. Starting with me mate Mick, absolute legend, always comes in, gives me a hand. Whenever I need help, he's always here. Scott, mate of mine as well. Scotty Martin from Local Mechanics, Crops Mechanical. You've seen me roasting him, his boss about his Y62 as well. Absolute legend coming in after hours, giving us a hand. Couple of his mates, Clint and Faffy, I can't remember he looks like a dude out of Super Shoes. Anyways, absolute legends, thank you. Also Nick and Palmy from G-Works, absolute legends, coming down one night, giving us a hand. Benny and the team, Benny, Cody and Mitch from Ipswich City Auto Electrical. Those guys came out and ripped in and redid all the wiring for us and got that nailed. Gangster Wraps for getting the wrap done last minute. AMV Automotive for last minute shipping of the new ECU. And G&L Motor Repairs, who haven't done it yet, but Reese Boy's been giving me a bit of help in the back end there, and they'll be tuning this thing very, very soon. And of course, all my staff that get in there and give us a hand, all the guys who bloody worked and designed extra bits and pieces, you know what I mean? Like, that's what makes this car. It's not just me, it's the entire team around me. They're absolute bloody legends. So thank you to everyone from the bottom of my heart. No, I don't even do that, so I'm sorry. But thank you to everyone. You guys are absolute legends. Really appreciate it. Sydney's show is going to be bloody amazing. If you're there, I don't know if this is going to be out before or after Sydney's show, but anyways, if you were there and you've seen the car, hopefully you frothed it. Leave it in the comments below. If it hasn't been on yet, hopefully we'll see you there. Either or. Righto legends, if you like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below because it makes a huge difference. Tap that notifications bell. And if you really like this content, you might like this one over here, or you might like that one over there. Righto legends, until the next one, we'll see you soon and stay hydrated.